Guangzhou Air Horse Compressor Co. Limited is a professional manufacturer of air compressor system equipment, focused on the research and development, manufacturing, sales and service of energy-saving air compressors for 10 years. Guangzhou Air Horse is located in Guangzhou, China, covering an area of 15,000 square meters. Our main products are oil-injected screw compressors, oil-free air compressors, oxygen generators, nitrogen generators, air treatment equipment, air dryers, air filters, air storage tanks, and accessories. Our air compressor adopts the most advanced technology and leading working process, original German air end, equipped with original SKF bearing, Siemens, AB electrical system and other international famous brand spare parts. Our Air Horse brand compressors have adopted industry-leading technical standards for many years. We provide OEM, ODM services for many major companies, with advanced road technology, scientific management, excellent production and rich production experience. We has obtained ISO 9001 Quality Management System qualification and SIR certification. Air Horse products are sold all over the world. Our air compressors are exported to more than 100 countries in the world. A complete sales and service network can be found in Europe, North America, South America, Oceania, Africa, Southeast Asia, the Middle East and other places. We are a professional compressed air solution provider and custom air compressor supplier. We have won praise from domestic and foreign customers with satisfactory quality and service. Looking forward to working with you in the near future. We sincerely welcome your visit to our factory.